by 8:30, at 8:30, before 8:30. What's the difference? Last week, I told my students their homework was due by 8:30 the next day. And my student asked me, "Teacher, does that mean before 8:30? Let's review. At refers to a specific point on my timeline. My class begins at 8:30. If I tell my students, please arrive before 8:30. So on my timeline, before 8:30 is everything before 8:30, but not including 8:30. So 8:20, 8:25, not 8:30. But technically, for students to be on time, they just have to arrive by 8:30. So by 8:30 could be before, so it could be 8:20, 8:25, 8:29, but it could also be 8:30. So by includes stuff before and also 8:30. So back to my student's original question. If I say your homework is due by 8:30, it's not only before, it's also at. So the homework, you could do your homework before 8:30, but you have all the way until and including 8:30 to finish.